What if your graduation party didn't just celebrate a diploma, but became a memory your guests would never forget? Have you ever wondered how to decorate your space so it reflects your journey, your future, and your style, all at once? Whether you're throwing a backyard bash, a school send-off, or a cozy celebration at home, the right decorations can make the moment feel truly monumental. In today's video, we're exploring graduation decor ideas that are easy to pull off, incredibly creative, and packed with personal touches for your big day.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What color themes work best for graduation decor? Your color scheme brings cohesion to the entire setup, and it's the easiest way to reflect school spirit or your own vibe. Use school colors for a personalized touch. Think tablecloths, balloons, and banners in your alma mater's hues. Black, gold, and white are timeless and elegant, great for a classic graduation theme that works in any setting. Add metallics like silver or rose gold for sparkle, or include a pop of your favorite color to make it truly yours. Drop your school colors in the comments. We'd love to see how you're repping your achievement. Why is decor important for a graduation celebration? Decor sets the stage for your party. It creates the mood, highlights the achievement, and makes your event photo ready. It turns a regular gathering into a milestone event, showing your personality and the significance of the occasion. It helps guide guests through your celebration space, where to eat, mingle, take photos, or leave gifts and messages. It adds those personal details, school colors, quotes, photos, that truly reflect your journey and achievements. Like this video if you're ready to turn your graduation into a party to remember. How can you create a standout photo booth or selfie station? Photo spots aren't just fun, they're essential. They give guests a place to take pictures, and grads a way to capture memories. Use a backdrop with balloons, streamers, or a graduation year banner to frame your photos. Add props like graduation caps, sunglasses, diplomas, and signs with fun phrases like, "I did it," or "Class dismissed." Create a seating area with a bench or chair, and throw pillows in your theme colors to make it cozy and camera-ready. Need inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for DIY photo booth ideas. What centerpiece ideas work well for graduation tables? Your tables are where people spend a lot of time. Make sure they're stylish, themed, and functional. Use stacked books tied with ribbon, topped with a graduation cap or flowers, for a scholarly centerpiece. Create mason jar displays filled with candy, LED lights, or mini diplomas wrapped in ribbon. Frame senior photos or achievement snapshots to showcase the graduate's journey down each table row. To see more centerpiece looks like these, subscribe now for our full grad decor series. How can you decorate food and dessert tables for a graduation party? Your food setup should be as exciting as the menu. People eat with their eyes first. Use large chalkboard signs or letterboards to label sections like smart snacks, honor roll refreshments, or diploma desserts. Incorporate trays and risers in your color scheme, adding confetti or graduation cutouts underneath for extra flair. Top cupcakes with grad hat pics or arrange cookies to spell out the graduate's name or class year. Find all the serving items we used in this video in the description below. What are some fun outdoor graduation decor ideas? If you're celebrating outdoors, your decor needs to be bold, weather-resistant, and full of flair. Hang banners from fences, trees, or porches that say "Congrats Grad" or showcase the graduation year. Use yard signs with the graduate's name, school, and degree, plus balloons or flags to guide guests to the party. Add string lights, lanterns, or solar lights to set the mood for evening celebrations. Everything shown today is linked in the description. Perfect for planning your backyard grad bash. How can you make your entrance or welcome area stand out? The entrance is the first impression of your celebration. Set the tone with a stylish welcome moment. Place a signboard or easel with a photo of the graduate and a welcome message for guests. Set up a table with a guest book, memory jar, or card box so visitors can leave messages and keepsakes. Add balloon arches or columns to frame the doorway or gate with festive energy. Want more entryway design tips? Check the similar videos in the description for full tutorials. What are the best ways to personalize your graduation decor? Personal touches are what make your party feel like your story, not just a generic event. Display a timeline of the graduates' milestones with photos, report cards, and mementos from kindergarten to cap and gown. Create a wall of words of wisdom where guests can write advice or encouragement for the future. Incorporate the grad's future plans, college banners, major of study, or even travel maps into your decor. Let us know in the comments, what personal touch are you adding to your own party? So if you've been wondering how to take your graduation party from simple to spectacular, now you have the blueprint. It's about more than balloons and banners. It's about telling your story, celebrating your success, and setting the stage for what's next. With the right mix of creativity, color, and personal touches, your graduation decor will turn this moment into a masterpiece. Congratulations, grad. Now let's party in style.